The Keychron M3 Mini is a standout contender in the budget gaming mouse category, offering solid performance at an affordable price point. If you're looking for an entry-level option that can handle FPS games without breaking the bank, this mouse is worth considering. With a lightweight design, the Keychron M3 Mini weighs in at just 57.1 grams, making it only slightly heavier than top-tier models like the Razer Viper V3 Pro. Despite its lightweight, it maintains a balanced feel that's comfortable for most hand sizes and grip styles, thanks to its symmetrical and compact shape. One of the key highlights of this mouse is its use of the PixArt PAW3395 sensor, which is known for its precision and low latency. The sensor performs admirably in fast-paced FPS games, ensuring that every movement and click is responsive and accurate. It doesn't reach the level of more premium mice in terms of performance, but for a budget option, it holds its ground well, offering a smooth and responsive experience during gaming sessions. Another appealing feature is the inclusion of both USB-A and USB-C wireless receivers. This is a rarity in budget mice and adds an extra layer of versatility, especially for those gaming on laptops or systems with limited port options. This flexibility is a thoughtful touch, as it makes the M3 Mini accessible to a wider range of setups without the need for additional adapters or dongles. However, there are some drawbacks to keep in mind. The mouse feet, while functional, are a bit on the scratchy side, which may be a slight deterrent for those who are particular about glide smoothness. The buttons also feel somewhat mushy, lacking the crisp tactile feedback found in more expensive models. Additionally, while the sensor performs well, its latency is slightly higher than that of high-end competitors, which may be noticeable for elite gamers or those used to the sharpest performance. Overall, the Keychron M3 Mini delivers impressive performance for its price. It provides an excellent gaming experience for casual FPS players or those looking for a budget-friendly mouse without compromising too much on key features. While it doesn't quite match the responsiveness of premium options, its value for money makes it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers who still want solid performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.